What's happening, guys? Happy Saturday, and thanks for stopping by. So this is going to be the absolute worst van tour video you've ever seen in your life, and I'm going to make sure of it because this is how messy van life really is. And I'm house sitting at the time. I'm back over at the first house sitting gig I ever got, and it's going to be loud and obnoxious because the neighbors are out here playing with their motorcycles and they're screaming and all that good stuff. And I thought, well, this will be great. This way you guys will get to hear and see the real, raw, unedited van life van tour video. Okay, so let's start here from the passenger seat that I have swiveled around looking at the back of the van. I've been cooking breakfast earlier, so I've still got my stove halfway out here in this crate. See my butane and all my cooking stuff under there. Oh, and I got a new guitar. And I'm going to give one of you guys my old guitar. It looks just like this, except it's red. And it's 3 single coils instead of a humbucker in the bridge. But I think I'll do a video. If anybody's interested, I'll give it to you. Just help me out with the shipping. I usually give my old guitars to kids. But I've given it to so many kids, there's no kids left to give to. So I figure I'd give it to one of you guys. Okay, turned around, looking up front now. Just a disaster in here. Oh, and the shovel. I got to tell you the story about the shovel. That's where I keep it mounted. Remember when I took the trip out to Colorado and went out in the National Forest for 2 weeks? Well, when you get out there and you got to poop, you got to dig your own latrine. So I stopped at an Ace Hardware and got that shovel on the way out there. And that's where it's been ever since. It just mounts right there, and keep it close to the edge of the van so you don't track all the dirt in here and everything. And it's just a total disaster zone. And I'm glad I didn't straighten anything up because I think it's important for people to see what you're really going to be dealing with if you do this. You know, typically I'll straighten the van up before I hit record, but not today. Okay, so the neighbors are getting a little rowdy over there with the motorcycles and the yelling and all that. And it's really a nice neighborhood. There's the neighbor's house right over there. See, all the homes are brick homes, 2-story homes. But it is loud here in this cul-de-sac. But I do enjoy house sitting. Right now, their kitchen is still under construction, so there's no kitchen, but I do have my guest bedroom and my bathroom here. And I've been here for 5 days already, and it looks like I got about another 4 left. So I really appreciate and enjoy house sitting. Even though it is quieter on the side of the street in the van than here at this house. All right, disaster zone, disaster zone. Okay, I want to make an adjustment to this door over here and show you what I'm doing since my buddy heater is there in that white bag. So let me make an adjustment and show you how I accommodate my towels for that position. Okay, so since my buddy heater, I can either mount it on that black panel on the door, or I can mount it on the side of the box there underneath that cabinet. And so what I do to make sure my towels are far enough away from the heat source is I have a little cord that goes across there that I tuck it up under. And this is the way I did it last winter, and it works fine. You know, as little as I use that heater, I want to go ahead and get it out because there was a little frost last night. And the problem with the heater mounted here, then I really don't have anywhere to put this this gray container. So I'll show you the remedy I've come up with for that. I just tuck it back over there beside between the bed and the fan. I've got a lot of room back there between the back door and the edge of the bed. So yeah, I just stick it right over there, and that opens up this area here. So it's not so bad now, is it? tuck that crate back up under the bed. And the guitar, you know, of course it doesn't stay here. It tucks in over in the corner back there, between the back door and the head of the bed. And it has a case. It stands up vertically back there. And I bungee it to the side back there in the corner. You hear all that noise? Hear all that yelling? Motorcycles revving up. That's the way it is all Saturday, every Saturday over here. Alright guys, so what I'll do with the guitar that I'm going to give away, it looks just like this, except it's red, and it just has 3 single coils like a regular Stratocaster, but I like the humbucker here in the bridge. It just gives a deeper, richer sound. But I'll make another video. I'll title it guitar giveaway, and I guess I'll put like a code word somewhere in the video, and then the first person to comment with that code word, if you really want the guitar, you know, just help me out with the shipping. I have a box that this guitar came in that I will use to ship you my old guitar, so you know it's shipped, it's packed nice and shipped well. But we'll do that in the next few weeks. Okay, I guess that is it, guys. Take care, be well, smash the bell. Later.